Okay, we have a MAZAK gap bed engine lathe, model Mark II. It has 28-inch swing with 35 in the gap by 160 in centers. It's serial number 30953W. This machine was new in 1976, we believe. Okay, we're gonna run it for you. Machine has a new wall, 2-axis digital readout, an 18-inch 3-jaw chuck. We're running right now at a low RPM. It has from 15 up to 1500 RPM. This machine also has two, that's forward and reverse of the spindle. Machine also does have two roller type steady rests, one with 11.5 capacity and the other one 6.5. We're going up in speed. Machine is nice and smooth. The waves are very nice. The machine has 2-inch riser blocks in a headstock on the compound and the tailstock. We're shifting to another speed. Machine also has a brake, as you see. Okay, we're going to try some feeds and threads for you. First, we're going to do the feeds. Yep, that's the cross feed. You can see it on the digital readout. That's the longitudinal feed. You see it on the digital readout, and you can also see the handle turning. Hold on, let me show it. Yep, great. Yep. Rapid traverse. Other direction. Yep, we're going to do threading. We have the lead screw turning, and we are going to engage the half nut, and we're threading. There you go. Machine also does have a thread dial indicator. There's the tailstock. Tailstock has two-speed tailstock. Now he's in fine. That's your rack to move it along the bed. And again, there are your two steady rests. Hey, thank you for watching our video.